But here's the scam. Yawning is contagious. I yawn, you yawn, your dog yawns, and suddenly we're all stuck in a loop of existential fatigue. It's like a zombie apocalypse, but with less gore and more pajamas. Scientists call it emotional empathy. I call it peer pressure for people who can't say no. Even fish yawn. Fish. You know, the creatures with the memory span of a TikTok trend? If a goldfish yawns at you, you've hit rock bottom. Why is it contagious? Because humans are copycats. We see someone yawn and our neurons go, ooh, free trauma. Let's replicate that. It's evolution's way of saying, if Greg's bored, you should be bored too. Solidarity, baby. But Greg's probably just hungover. Here's the kicker. Babies yawn in the womb, before they're even born.